Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect for the winter time or when you're just basically a little cold because it is a heated throw blanket. This was sent over by a company called Garvee Home. Naturally, once you open it up, you're gonna get a user manual, but we're covering all the features right here in the video. So this one's gonna come in a lot of different colors. The one I have here is this nice rose pink look to it. It's gonna have two different textures on each side, which is kind of nice. So first off, the pink one is a nice super soft velvet material, and then on the other side you have a nice white sherpa material. I obviously like the sherpa material. It's nice and warm, but if it's a little bit too warm, you can obviously put it on the velvet side as well, so it's really, really nice. Now this particular one I have here is 50 inches by 60 inches. You obviously can get it also in other sizes depending on what you want, how big you need. As far as controls, super easy to utilize. Essentially, you are going to have 4 different settings. Very easy. You're gonna have the little controller here. Just simply go ahead and tap the power button, it'll turn it on. Then you have your low, your medium, your high, and then your maximum heating settings. So this thing can go on the low end, it's about 95 degrees Fahrenheit. On the high end, it is about 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, if you're worried about for like safety features, this will automatically turn off after 4 hours of use. So you can set it, forget it. If you have it on your bed at night, it will go ahead and turn off, which is a great feature. Now, if you do have the larger sizes, because like I said, I have the 50 by 60 inch one, the larger ones I think last for about 10 hours with that auto off function, but this one's a little bit shorter, which I personally like. Now, as far as the heating elements itself, you're gonna have the little wires in here. You can kind of feel them if you go ahead and kind of see them on the sherpa side, but they're very evenly distributed, which is great, and then they evenly provide that heat. So if you are sitting on the couch watching a good scary movie or something like that, and you're all bundled up, you're gonna have a nice even layer of heat. You're not gonna have any cold pockets or anything like that. As far as maintaining this, very easy. Just toss it in the washing machine on cold and then tumble dry on cool and low. Just go ahead and remove the little mechanism right here on the end, and then you're good to go ahead and throw this in the wash, which I absolutely love. But overall, like I said, if you are looking for just a great, super soft, super comfortable heated throw, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.